My dear friend, I know your heart. I know your dream. You want to speak English. You want to feel free. You want to understand people. You want to travel, to work, to connect. You want a new life. But maybe now you feel sad. Maybe you feel small. Maybe you tried many times. Maybe you studied books, apps, classes. But still, you cannot speak. Still, you feel afraid. Still, you think, maybe I am not good. Sometimes people laugh when you try. Sometimes they do not listen. Sometimes you feel shy, and you stop. Your heart becomes heavy. But listen, my friend. Please listen. You are not stupid. You are not late. You are not weak. You are only learning. And learning takes time. You need a safe place. You need a friend. You need someone who never sleeps, never laughs at you, never leaves you. That friend is here. That friend is ChatGPT. ChatGPT can be your teacher, your partner, your helper, your friend. And if you use it step by step, your English can grow. Your life can change. Step 1. Make ChatGPT your friend. Learning needs love, not fear. So first, ask ChatGPT, "Hello, please be my English friend. Talk to me in very easy English. Ask me small questions. Help me be brave. Now you are not alone. You have a friend. A friend who listens to you. A friend who answers you. A friend who never says you are wrong." This is the first step. Your heart feels light. You start smiling. Step 2. Learn from mistakes with love. You will make mistakes. Yes, many mistakes. But mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are your teacher. Say to ChatGPT, "Please correct my sentences. Show me my mistake. Then give me the right sentence." Example, I go market yesterday. ChatGPT, good try. The correct way is, I went to the market yesterday. Now you see. Now you learn. You feel hope. You say, yes, I can grow. Step 3. Learn new words with feelings. Words are not only letters. Words are life. Words are feelings. So tell ChatGPT, "Please teach me 5 new easy words every day." Use them in a short story. Make the story simple and clear. Example words: happy, rain, walk, friend, smile. Story: I walk in the rain. My friend sees me. We smile. We are happy. Now you feel the words. You see the words in your heart. You can use them in your real life. Step 4. Train your ears with listening. Speaking is good, but listening is power. Ask ChatGPT, "Please send me short audio. Speak slowly." After the audio, write the text so I can check. First, listen. Close your eyes. Feel the sound. Repeat the sound. Then check the text. Example audio: the cat is sleeping on the bed. You repeat, the cat is sleeping on the bed. Day by day, your ears become strong. You hear more. You understand faster. One day, you listen without fear. Step 5. Speak with courage. Now, my friend, use your voice. Do not hide. Do not be silent. Say to ChatGPT, please be my speaking partner. Ask me one question. After my answer, correct me with love. Then ask again. Example: ChatGPT, what is your favorite food? My favorite food is rice. ChatGPT, perfect. You can also say, my favorite food is rice because it is delicious. At first, your voice shakes. At first, you feel shy. But slowly, you feel strong. Slowly, your fear breaks. One day, you speak with joy. One day, you feel free. Step 6. Make daily journal with ChatGPT. Writing is power. Writing shows your mind. Writing makes your thoughts clear. Every day, write a small journal. It can be 3 lines. Example: today I woke up early. I ate bread. I feel happy. Then give it to ChatGPT and say, please check my journal. Correct mistakes. Make it better, but simple. ChatGPT will correct you. ChatGPT will give you new words. ChatGPT will make your journal shine. Slowly, you see your growth. Your small journal becomes your story. And one day, you read your old journals and smile. You say, look, I am better now. Step 7. Learn with pictures and emotions. Sometimes words are hard. But pictures make learning fun. Tell ChatGPT, show me a picture and ask me to describe it in easy English. For example, ChatGPT shows a picture of a park. You say, I see a boy. He runs. The sun is bright. A dog is happy. ChatGPT can help you add more. You can also say, the boy is running fast. The sun is shining. The dog is playing. Now you see. Now you learn. Pictures make words real. Emotions make words alive. Step 8. Practice small conversations. English is not only one word. English is conversation. So practice small talks with ChatGPT. Say, please be a shopkeeper. I will be a customer. Or, please be my friend. Ask me about my day. Example: ChatGPT, hello. Can I help you? Yes, I want some apples. ChatGPT, of course. How many apples do you want? I want 3 apples, please. This is real practice. This is life practice. Slowly, you feel ready for real people. Step 9. Grow with stories. Stories touch the heart. Stories stay in the memory. Ask ChatGPT, tell me a very short story in simple English. After story, ask me questions. Example story: one day, a girl found a small cat. The cat was hungry. The girl gave food. The cat became happy. Questions: who found the cat? Was the cat hungry? What did the girl give? You answer. If wrong, ChatGPT helps. If correct, ChatGPT says great. Your heart feels joy. You learn without pain. Step 10. Build confidence with daily challenge. Finally, you must be brave. Confidence grows with action. Every day, tell ChatGPT, give me one small English challenge. Example challenges: say 5 sentences about your family. Describe your room. Tell what you ate today. Ask 2 questions to me in English. You try. You answer. Maybe you make mistakes. But ChatGPT corrects you with love. Day by day, you feel stronger. Day by day, your fear goes away. Day by day, you shine. Listen to me now. English is not only a subject. English is not only grammar. English is life. English is people. English is connection. Maybe you were shy. Maybe you were afraid. Maybe you felt small. But not anymore. Now you have ChatGPT. Now you have a friend. Now you have a guide. Do not stop. Do not give up. Do not think I am late. You are not late. You are right on time. Start today. Speak 1 word. Write 1 line. Listen to 1 sentence. Do 1 step. Small steps make big journeys. Small drops make big oceans. And one day, you will look back. You will see your mountain, and you will say with a smile, yes. I climbed. Yes. I can speak. Yes. I am free. I believe in you. ChatGPT believes in you. And now, you must believe in you.